And this is our 2024 Promaster Super High Roof. We got a lot of big plans for it.
Yeah. We're gonna try to build out the van, first van that we've ever had.
Yeah, not very experienced.
Yeah, we don't know what the heck we're doing.
We've already attempted a couple things, as you'll see, pretty well, but we're going to try a 48-volt electrical system.
Heated floors?
Yeah.
One floor.
One floor.
Not
one
multiple.
big floor. We're going to do a flatline van company platform bed.
We're going to have a full wet bath.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you want to stay tuned and see probably what not to do, which is probably 90% of the battle anyway, stay tuned. Watch us. Like, subscribe. What else do YouTubers say? Follow along.
Yeah. We'll have an adventure.